Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn writing skill chapter information transfer. Means it is related to writing skill question, and this question is transfer information. Okay, means there are two types of this transfer the information, verbal and non-verbal. Okay, verbal and non-verbal, and means here we are going to transfer the information verbal to non-verbal or non-verbal to verbal. Means there is two question number 6a. It is there are a1 verbal to non-verbal and a2 non-verbal to verbal. If you are means right, it is only in this question there is only possibility to get the full marks if you written it properly. Okay, means there are marking scheme of this question is, if you written the means if you given the title, then there is 1 mark, then cover all points, for that 2 marks, appropriate graphic or layout, for that 1 mark, and overall presentation, for that 1 mark. Okay, like this way there is a marking scheme of this question. Means verbal to non-verbal. Means see, here means some here are given some rules. First we are going to see means some information transfer. How to transfer verbal to non-verbal or non-verbal to verbal. See, information transfer is the rewriting of information given in one format into another format. Means one format is given there, you have to transfer this information into another format. Means if you are given information in the form of tree diagram or table, points, graphs, pie charts, do's or don't, means like this way forms are given, you will have to write a paragraph. Okay, you will have to write the paragraph including all the information. Means whatever given, for example graph is given, means which information given in graph, that information of this graph you have to prepare the paragraph. Okay, if there is pie chart, if there is do's or don't, then you have to write it into paragraph. Means this is known as non-verbal to verbal. Okay, means whatever tree diagram or table, points, graphs, pie chart, this information you are going to transfer into paragraph. Okay, means it is non-verbal to verbal. Then you might also be given a paragraph. Means instead of this information, non-verbal information, there is given verbal information, means paragraph is given, and you will have to transfer this information, the main points, to the frame a tree diagram or a graph or a pie chart, whatever diagram is given there. You have to transfer this information into such a type. Okay, means the such kind of means visual representation containing all the information. This is verbal to non-verbal. Okay, verbal to non-verbal, means this transformation of information is known as verbal to non-verbal. Means paragraph transfer into whatever form is given. For example, if there is given tree diagram, you have to write the tree diagram. Means main points whatever. For example, there is given about some types of plant. Okay, types of plant. Then whatever means that main points you have to include in the form of this tree diagram. Or sometimes there is given pie chart. Transfer this information into pie chart. Okay, pie chart means you have to divide this information in the percentage form of this circle. Okay, or some other kind of visual representation containing all the information. Means like this way you are going to transfer verbal to non-verbal means information. Okay, and if you means verbal to non-verbal or non-verbal to verbal, means you have to give prefer to information means verbal to non-verbal. Okay, give means preparation to verbal to non-verbal. Means if you are giving these two question A1 or A2, you have to write means this question verbal to non-verbal. Okay, means give prepare to this question verbal to non means पैराग्राफ को नॉन वर्बल इंफॉर्मेशन में ट्रांसफर, जैसे कि टी डायग्राम होता है, पाई चार्ट होता है और टेबल फॉर्म बताते हैं, उसमें ट्रांसफ़र किए मीन्स इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स तुमने उस फॉर्म में ट्रांसफ़र अच्छी तरह से ट्रांसफ़र किए, तो वहाँ ही सिर्फ यही क्वेश्चन एक राइटिंग स्किल का है जहाँ आउट ऑफ मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं. ओके, दैट्स वाई यू हैव टू गिव स्ट्रेस ऑन दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, थैंक यू.